Well, here's a simple Python code. And can you find the correct output of this code? You can pause the video to think for a moment. So the correct output of this code is code. Well, if you didn't understand this code, let me explain. So this is the code, and you might have thought you could either get a true and a false. Well, that's not the case with the strings here. Here, the order will be like this. First, this is evaluated, and then we will evaluate this. So in this too, we have high, and there's this. And as you can see, this is string is non-empty, while this is empty. So what happens is that the end function will return the one which is non-empty, which means we got this. And then we are left with the second part, which is this and code. Now here, as you know, in case of or, any string which is non-empty will be returned. So as you can see, this is empty, or you can say this is false, while this is non-empty. Therefore, this is the one which will be returned. That's why we got code as the output.